So, you have an issue trying to line up these daggone grooves right here with that groove right there, or it right here. Man, every time you go to put it in, like so, it don't fit. It wants to pop out. Then you rotate it again. It don't fit. It pops out. There's an easy solution to this. On this cover, this particular cover, 2009, 20-inch rim, Chevrolet, there's a valve stem on the back side of that cover. Then there's a valve stem on the rim. Line this valve stem up with that valve stem, like so. Let's line it up. Let's line the valve stems up. Let's say. Looky. Easy peasy. I'm gonna be honest, I never knew there was a valve stem on the back of the cover that allows you to line up so that engine or that cover will go on the same way every time. Simple Simon.